Right, hey guys. So what we're doing, we're experimenting with fletchings. Now we did a bit of an experiment yesterday with a pinch straw. Well, I'm continuing the experimentation, but this time with numbers of fletching. So, historically and socially, there are three accepted forms of fletching. You have 2 fletch, 3 fletch and 4 fletch. Most common today being the 3 fletch. But we're going to start with the 2. Now the 2 fletch is predominantly, as in 2 fletches, 2 feathers, is predominantly most popular in the Americas, South and North America, mainly amongst the indigenous tribes in the jungles of South America and on the plains of North America. Now, you've got to ask yourself why. And at the end of the day, it doesn't matter why. That's just the way they did it. And it worked, because they used 2 fletch arrows, as far as we know, for millennia. So basically, the theory is that they do actually give quite good stability against wind. Wind changes, things like that. And it seems to be borne out, but unfortunately we don't have a great deal of range to test them with, so we're just doing a short range test, 10 meters, see if it actually makes any difference. I mean, not that it really does make any difference, because at the end of the day, archery is archery is archery. Right, so those were the 2 fletch. Now, we're going to do the 3 fletch. 3 fletch arrows, bog standard, everybody knows them, everybody uses them. Almost the entirety of the Western world uses the 3 fletched arrow and has done for a long time. Right, so, now then the light's going a little bit, I need to, right, there we go. No, I don't really know why. Well, I know why 3 is important within archery, but why 3 fletchings? Don't know. I'm going to have to do some digging into that. I mean, we know about the cock feather and things like that, but why 3 fletchings? Anyway, so we'll whack through these, because everybody knows the 3 fletched arrow. We're looking at a comparison with this video. Right, so where are we up to? Last of the 3s, and then once we've fired these, we'll have a walk down, and you can come with me, and we'll have a quick look to see if there is actually any difference. Right, so now we're on to the 4 fletch. Now the 4 fletch, these tend to be most popular and most commonly found on the opposite side of the Atlantic in Asia. I mean, the most notable use of these today is actually in Bhutan, where they have an extremely strong archery culture. Light's going a bit. It's very, very strong. And in the last 20 years or so, the Bhutanese have actually discovered the recurve, and in the last 10 years they've discovered the compound bow, and the compound bows are becoming really, really popular. One of the reasons is that they can use, the light's going, they can use their traditional 4-fletched arrows, because basically a compound bow is a shoot-through riser. And with a 4-fletched arrow, quite a stiff arrow, they're ideally suited for that, because you've got equal contact all the way around. You don't need to bother about cock feathers and all that sort of stuff. You literally pick up your arrow, knock it on the string, and it doesn't matter which way round it is, you will get the same sort of contact against the bow, if there's any kind of contact, no matter how the arrow is knocked. Right, anyway, so that's all of them fired. Right, so come with me, get off your butts and have a walk down the down range with me, and we'll have a look, see what we've got. See if there is any difference between 1, 2 and 3 fletched arrows. Right, have a look. Can't tell yet, but oh, hey up, so we seem to have, we've got quite a bit of a spread here. Now I use the same reference points, the same aiming points, and I tried to shoot them all in exactly the same way, so that it would be a fair test using the same bow and everything. Tried not to make anything different. Now what have we got? So the 4 fletched arrows, we've got 1, 2, all the 4 fletched arrows are over here, alongside the 3 fletched arrows. The 3 fletchings, we've got 1, actually we've got 2 quite nice little groups. We've got a group of 4 fletched and a group of 3 fletched, all there. Right, so now the 2 fletched ones, these have favoured the left by quite a way. But 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah, they've all come to the left. They're all 2 fletched arrows there. 1, 2, 3, 4. So all the 2 fletched have come to the left. Still not a bad group, but that's probably me. The light's not the best for me at the moment. And then on this side we've got a 1, 2, 3, where are we? 1, 2, 3, 4. Got 4 3 fletched arrows there. Again, not a massive group, but not, I've done better. And then we've got the 4 fletched arrows again, actually in a slightly tighter group. Anyway guys, make of that what you will. So all the 2 fletched are grouped together, which is as you should expect, really. I mean, oh, I get quite a good penetration actually. And they're flying quite quickly. So there's your 2 fletch out the way, and then you've got 2 groups of 4. Anyway guys, I'll continue pulling these. Hope you found that interesting. Hope it is of some use. I think that's quite interesting that they've all formed separate little niches, and we shall see you next time. Cheers guys. Stay safe, keep slinging those sticks.